Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about the tuple. Yeah, tuple is like similar to list, but it is immutable. That means we cannot modify the values inside the tuple. Okay, tuple will be created with the parenthesis. Like previous to this, we have discussed like kind of list and strings in the same way. They're also having this indexing concept and a slicing operations. These two operations are there, and tuple is immutable. That's why it was came into as an addition to that particular as an additional concept to this in Python. So tuples are separated with the tuples. So while creating the tuples, it was separated with the comma operator. So tuples may be nested. That means multiple lists can be added into a tuple. So and it won't support the assignment operation. Assignment operation means while if any operation, if any value change in the if any value change in the particular position, then it is not going to be supported. Okay, so for this matter, I have for time saving purpose, what I have done is here we saw almost all these operations, but few operations only we didn't saw in list. So I have already typed all this a few of the operations. So let me I will show you. I will go through once, and I will run and I will show you once here. Okay, you can see on my screen there is one tuple 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 3 I have created with, and a tuple 2. It is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and there is a nested tuple 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, 12, 13, 14. So this one will be considered as a list, second list, this one, and third list. So three lists in the same tuple, in the single tuple. So now I am just printing in the first line tuple 1, and the second line in the 13th line it is length of tuple 1. So in the 14th line it is count I am printing. What is the count of 3? That means how many times that 3 is available in this particular tuple. So all the operations, that indexing and slicing, all the operations, both the operations will be supported over here. Okay, what is the index of 5? So 5 is available here. I'm expecting here 0, 1, 2. 2 is the output over here. So tuple of 3, tuple 1 of 3. So see, we will see this output. Okay, displays from 3 to till end. So displays 1 to 3 means 1, 2. That's it. 3 would be 3 will be excluded. Okay, and tuple here. Sorry, pop up. Not this is not the pop. Sorry. Tuple 1 displays from sorry tuple 1 display from 3 to till end. So here this is a slicing concept, and this one tuple will start displaying from 1 to -2. That means this -1 will be considered as 3, -2 will be considered as 11. So except these two values, all the other values will be printed, but it will start from 1, 0, 1. So from here. Okay, and in this particular print it will be starting from 0 to till -2. So till here. Okay, and tuple 2, let me run and show you once again, once all these values, that whatever we have discussed till now. You can see here, see 0 to last but 2 elements. So 13579 it was got printed. See 13579. Okay, and here one more thing is, it will start from 1, we told 0 and 1. So this 0, 3579. So these are the values that is going to be printed. Tuple of 3 to till end, 0, 1, 2 it won't print. Okay, 0 1 2, it won't print. From here it will print. Okay, so this is the kind of slicing and indexing will be supported over here. So this tuple 2 I have taken. So type tuple 2. Here what I would like to show you is assignment. So tuple 2, tuple 1 of 2, triple 2 I'm just adding. Okay, but it won't support. I would like to show you that. Okay, see, object does not support item assignment. So this is the thing that it was not supporting. Okay, yeah. So next, going back to the, I'm commenting again. Okay, I have commented. So the same thing, length of tuple 2, yeah, I have given over here. I am adding the tuple 1 and tuple 2 and I am printing both the tuples over here. Okay, see here, I will run one more time because previous to that we have not we have given the assignment operator. Our assignment is not supported now, so that's why from this point, this line onwards, the operation was breaking. We will see in future that how we need to handle this type of scenario in exception handling. So try catch will be there, try catch finally. So in that we can handle this kind of exceptions. So how like we will see in that concept in that topic. Okay, so now I have added here tuple 2. So here you see, we add 1 3 5 7 9 11 3. This is tuple 1 and this is tuple 2. Okay, and whether the 12 contains in tuple 1 or not. See, tuple 1 dot contains 12. Tuple 1, see, tuple in tuple 1 12 is not there, so that's why it was returning false. Okay, so tuple 1 is greater than tuple 2, so here it is false, it was returning. So GE means greater than or equal to, LE means less than or equal to, greater than means GT means greater than. So tuple 1 is greater than tuple 2, tuple 1 is less than or equal to tuple 2. Like this, there are multiple operations are there. We will so these are all the operations that I have found. I have just practiced with, and I am just showing with for more usage kind of thing. So here nested tuple means what is the, see here I have given one tuple, so I am just printing that tuple.